Hi, this is Robin from Picture Instruments, and in this video we are going to show you how to use the Creative Looks plugin in Lightroom as an endless source of inspiration. All of our looks are adjustable and non-destructive, giving you full creative control. Here is BJ to explain exactly how the plugin works. Be curious.
So, let's get started. As you open the plugin, Creative Looks already suggests the first look for your image. If you don't love the suggested look at first sight, you can click on the Inspire button to get more suggestions until you are happy with the look for your image. You can store your 10 preferred looks in the clipboard. Just click on the S below the number where you want to save the look. By the way, S stands for Save. By clicking on the number itself, you can recall the look later. The clipboard remains intact even if you close the plugin or even Lightroom. If you clicked on the Inspire button too quickly, the looks that you have already skipped are not lost. You can use the Undo and Redo buttons to skip back up to 10 inspirations and skip forward again. So, just recently, when I was looking for some inspiration myself, I saved a look that I think could really fit this image quite well. I think I saved it under number 10. Well, that certainly goes in the right direction. To perfectly adjust the look to the image, the plugin offers a few controls for the key elements of modern image editing. Let's go through them one by one. The 3 checkboxes at the top let you select a color correction mode. If you select one color look, the entire image will be tinted with the same color across all brightness ranges. Hue determines the toning color, and the tint control allows you to set the amount of the correction. The 2 split toning options generate a complementary contrast where the hue control determines the darker areas of the image, while the lighter areas will be tinted with the color on the opposite side of the wheel, which, on our hue control, amounts to a difference of 180 degrees. If the control is set to red, for example, the shadows will be tinted red and the highlights in blue. I preferred the tint of the initial look, so I just recall it. But I could very well imagine to give the image a slightly more crisp contrast. In the negative, the contrast control causes a rather soft and cinematic contrast, while it gives the image a rather crisp and detailed appearance with the look and feel of analog film when positive values are selected. Have a look what it does when compared to a standard contrast control. I really like it like that. Use the saturation control to change the look from black and white all the way to brightly colored. I think this look can do with a little more saturation. And there I have already adjusted the look perfectly to the image. Since I do have more images from this particular shoot, I quickly save this look as a preset, which gives me a perfect starting point for the other images. By the way, the plugin only controls Lightroom parameters, which means that you can easily save any look and also edit it non-destructively in Lightroom. Well, let's continue with the plugin's last 2 controls. They are truly unique. They are made specifically to edit sky blue and the green of plants, because those 2 colors usually dominate in exterior shots. That's why I now take a landscape photograph. The sky slider colors the sky either towards petrol blue or towards azure blue. Below that is the slider for editing plant green. Using the 3 checkboxes, you can choose whether the plant green should be colored bright green, olive, or in autumnal yellow-brown tones. Of course, you can also decide after you have moved the slider to the right. This way, you can playfully create impressive looks with your very own style.
I hope you got something out of this tutorial and the tool helps you to create great looks. If you already have the trial version installed, you can easily unlock it with a license code after purchasing the plugin. Have fun with Creative Looks, the ultimate source of inspiration for creativity in Lightroom. way, if you like a look in Lightroom so much that you want to use it for your videos, check out our tool Look Converter.